All right, what's up, guys? Sanj here, and welcome back to episode 2 of the Garage Gains series. So, obviously, with the coronavirus going on and the self-quarantines and the social distancing going on, you gotta really take care of yourself. You gotta be careful not to introduce or to inject yourself into areas where they could potentially get you infested, or not infested, but infected. So you don't want to get infected. So garage gym, all right. Smith rack is coming down to get rid of it. Squat rack and barbells, dumbbells. Then we got the cable machine over here for some different cable exercises, right? Got a new little JBL speaker over there. Really cool. Sounds nice. It was absolutely banging for today's workout. We did chest, so I'll put some footage on the screen for you. If you can't tell, but my chest and shoulders get a little striated. Good workout. We did just, whatever we could. Start off with some bands, working the orange one over here just to warm everything up and get the blood going. And then we went into just some stuff. I'll put on the screen for you if you're interested in the actual routine, and I'll put in the description as well. But I wanted to just kind of talk about what you can do when you're at home and you can't go to the gym, right? So the gym's closed. So what are some exercises that are going to be the best bang for your buck that you can do at home to maintain or even make more muscle, to gain more lean tissue muscle mass, right? And honestly, you could do things like burpees. Burpees are great if you can include the push-up. Just look up on Google an 8-count push-up is pretty much what I'm talking about. Any kind of push-up exercise is going to work your upper body, and it's also going to be using your core for stabilizing. Also, you could go into putting 2 chairs, like I got these chairs over here. Just take some regular chairs and set them up like a dip. So when you're on it, you can do dips, and you can rest your feet on the ground so that you're still getting a little bit of a workout, but you're not you're doing what you can with what you got, right? Also, you could do you could probably, if you found something strong enough, obviously you guys don't have barbells, or if you do, just do like a hanging row from a barbell. That'd be fine. That'd work your upper body. You could do a reverse grip, so you could work your back, your delts, and your biceps all at the same time. Keep your core tight. It's going to help work your core stabilizers. So those are great exercises that you could do at home with a very limited amount of equipment or no equipment at all. Also, if you have bands, or if really anything, you could do like a squat. You could pick up like a backpack or something. You could put a backpack and hold it, and you could do front goblet squats. You put on the back and do regular squats. You could get like a tote, like one of these totes over here. You could do a deadlift with the totes. There's so many options that you can do. You really don't have an excuse to not work out. I don't want to hear it. This isn't the kind of channel where we take excuses like that. We're making it work, all right? So I really do hope this guys helped you. So I really hope this helps you out. On Amazon, I got this cool little roller ball. What's the brand? 321 Strong. Sounds like some Asian company. But so I got that to help with this whole thing. I got the new speaker over here, and I got some extension cords from Target, so I can, have the sound and the lights, and just getting the system all set up. So I'm pretty excited about that. It is Friday for me, so I'll post this up on Saturday. Today, Friday, you guys are gonna get the leg workout, so I hope you guys enjoy that. But that's pretty much it. My bicycle, I'm getting a foldable bicycle. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Kind of like a recumbent bike almost, but it's upright. We're getting that in the mail tomorrow. So we're gonna start adding to this gym. The bike is actually gonna be something I can take to work if I want, or anything, just having that option to do cardio, not having an excuse, never saying no, always having options, all right? So I hope this guys helped you guys out. If you guys have specific questions about fitness, weightlifting, working out, anything at all, feel free to reach out to me. I hope, like I said, for the 50 billionth time, I hope this helped you guys out in some way. But I'm Sanj, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.